Hi there, welcome to this quick Onside video. Today we'll be looking at the Onside Kiosk. So if you haven't already seen or checked into an Onside Kiosk before, it's a website address that's unique to a particular property, and it's usually put on a tablet. Sometimes you can see it being used on computers and cell phones, but the tablet is the most common form that you'll see it in. Essentially what it's going to let you do is check in with just your cell phone number. So if I put in a non-phone number that I have here, it's going to take me through the property rules. And because I've been on this property before, it's not going to show me the risks. But I can click Review Risks. It will take me through each one of them. Done. Check-in complete. So on the first visit using an Onside Kiosk, it's going to take you through each one of the risks one by one. Anytime after that, it's only going to show you new risks or risks that have been updated since your last visit. Once you've done your work, you head back to the kiosk and just go check out. Select, check out. Done. Easy as that. On to the next property. If you're coming across the kiosk for the first time, chances are you won't have an account. So if we put in a dummy number here and try to check in, it's going to say, sorry, we can't find that number. And you're going to have the option of registering an account. Now you can do this either with an email address or without. We recommend doing it with an email address so that if you are able to go and use the Onside app later on, you'll be able to just log in using the account you've created. So let's go Jimmy bid test 334 Onside. And I'm going to need to put in my name. And you can also click here to read the terms and conditions. Register. And then it's going to take me through the check-in process as a brand new user. So reviewing the property rules and each of the risks one at a time. Done. Back home. Then you can go off and do your work. And when you're done, ready to leave the property, check out, and you've checked out. It's easy as that. That is the Onside Kiosk.